We're recording. Sophie's first sucker. Banana flavored. Sophie, do you like your sucker? Oh, later, Mom.
Slow down. She doesn't have much spit left. Hey, no biting.
Thanks. Sophie.
Sit down.
Oh, yes. Oh. She wants to secure it this time with her paw.
Sophie.
Too cute.
Oh, she's almost done with it. There's a hole in it.
Sophie, you funny girl. Do you like your sucker, Sophie?
See the hole?
She said, Mom, can I have mystery flavor? Oh, gosh. We should have been counting. How many licks does it take?
That's Tootsie Pop.
I know, but for Sophie.
You kind of got sticky on you.
Uh-oh.
Oh. No.
Is she going to chew it?
She wants to.
Well, why not? I mean...
Oh gosh. Okay, you can put it in your mouth. Put it in your mouth. Oh, that's weird.
That would be hard for me.
I don't smell it. Oh!
I got my first bite!
Oh, some fell off right here.
Sophie.
Oh, with the front teeth.
Oh, really? Those are the smallest ones.
Sophie. You puke, I'm gonna be mad.
I know.
Oh, she's pulling. She's pulling. Almost done. Oh. Yep. There's a little bit left.
Turn her this way.
Done, Sophie.
I'm done. Now what the heck? Should we give her this stick and watch her run around or not?
No.
Okay. All done.
I'm done, Soph.
Okay.
It's all gone.
Bye-bye.